So today is a regional meeting for consultants, nursing staff and junior doctors, and it's really an opportunity to bring those doctors from critical care and anaesthetics together to learn more about these three innovations, the NUX system, the non-injectable arterial connector and the WireSafe, and to showcase those devices and really explain to them the patient benefits, the impact they will have on their clinical teams, and really the positive benefits they will bring to patients in their care.
Once innovations are selected, they come onto the clinical innovation adoption list, and we develop packages, toolkits for implementation.
Today has been devoted to thinking how good design stops us making mistakes. It makes it easy to do the right thing, and we can see how with arterial lines or all sorts of other little innovations, we can protect doctors and nurses from making mistakes that can harm people and potentially kill them.
The Innovation and Technology Tariff has been created through NHS England to help fast track the adoption of new innovations. So basically what this means is that NHS England pays for the equipment, and the hospital can take that leap and take that jump to kind of say, I want to try new innovation straight away, and it allows them to do that without the financial burden of it. The Oxford AHSN have been fantastic. So they have gone out and got the clinical engagement of all their member trusts. They've brought them onto this journey with us. We've been kind of there showcasing how the innovations work and providing the clinical story. But the work that they've done actually creating not just the clinical information packs, but the model business case studies, the model of how to guide yourself through the procurement process, all of those things that are just make the process of implementing new innovations really painful. They've removed that for us.
I think the clinical side of things is actually fairly easy, because I think the products actually kind of speak for themselves, and there's a aesthetic simplicity to the WireSafe and the NIC, and there's a lot of data around the NUX, which is pretty compelling. So I think the clinicians or the other healthcare professionals within the Royal Berkshire ICU actually took on this very, very quickly when they saw, as I say, the simplicity of it.
Innovation itself is very difficult. Getting things brought through to a manufactured and approved product is very difficult, but implementation is the hardest bit of the whole process, and there are lots of boxes that you've got to tick to make things right for not only the patient, but the clinician, the nurse, the hospital administration, the procurement, the finance people, and you've got to get all these things right to have it make sense for a hospital to implement.
I think these events are really excellent networking opportunities. Not often do clinical staff get the opportunity to come out of their day-to-day job, talk to their peers and other trusts, and really discuss issues that they may have going on for them within their units. And I think it's an excellent learning opportunity as well, to share learning across the region.
We work closely with the supplier to understand what the value would be, also with the trusts to understand what the implementation process should be. These are available for the trusts, and we have produced them in a package. They'll be downloadable offline as well on our website, and the intention is that they can then take it back to their trusts to implement the innovations.